You know that, right?
What?
So it's gonna be a mess in this kitchen tonight.
Yeah. Well, Mama's cooking food.
Yeah, Mama's cooking. Making, I don't know, eggplant meatballs. So they're freaking really delicious.
Yeah, and they're vegan.
Yeah, everything's vegan, everything's fresh. Got my food processors going.
All for me.
Yeah, all for you.
All for D, like Janie would say.
What'd she say?
Janie says, all for D.
You know what? I'm so glad I have a gas stove back. Let me tell you. I love a gas stove. This doesn't work.
What?
For this.
We were gonna have soupy meatballs.
We don't want soupy meatballs. So I have to do it by hand because I didn't buy a big enough food processor. Oh well, it's okay though.
It's good to have, though.
Huh?
It's good to have.
Yeah, well, I definitely can use it for other things like the meatloaf and stuff like that. I'll just make sure that I make one batch at a time. And one batch makes 2 of these small loaf pans, so.
No too soupy meatballs.
No, we don't want soupy meatballs.
Okay, it's the 31st of August, and my mom is inside of Walmart right now, and I'm sitting in the car, and I have but I have, oh my goodness, I say anywhere, anyone notice how we do that? I say and then I'll always end it with but. I think it's funny. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments, please, and thank you. Oh, we are at Walmart right now, and there I go again. I did not want to go in, so she went by herself. And do you see my hair? Literally, I told my mom, this is the only thing my dad forgave me. My dad, I mean, my biological father. Because my dad is Rick. But my bio dad is David. Wherever he is, I don't know. But isn't it crazy? And the sun is shining on it, so it looks so fuzzy. It's really awesome though. I love it. I'm gonna keep my hair like, well, and want this sun. There you go, see it? Isn't that pretty? I want to keep it like this as much as I can. And that's why I'll only trim it from now on. Because I love my curls. It's so crazy. Because I've had my mom's hair my whole life. Pin straight. I mean, I still use the hair straightener all the time. Because back in the early 2000s, that was a cool thing. You straightened your hair all the time, every day. And it was stupid. I hated it. But I still did it because I was cool. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna return a pair of shoes today. And, I know there's something else. Going to Whole Foods to get my chapstick because I lost it all again. I only have one in my mom's car. This is another thing it taught me, so. I drink water bottles and put on chapstick. And I don't want to brush my teeth yet because I use the Sonicare Black. I saw black toothbrush. Surprise, surprise. Well, it's a black toothbrush it's electric, which my dentist recommended it. So I made the switch. You look cute.
I look cute.
Yeah.
Well, this is cooking at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Thank you, because I know it's from me.
Yes.
And you. More me, but you too.
Why is this thing freaking work?
It says to work. You
It
are
does work. I
doing
know.
it. Exactly. Hey Mom, can you show me what you were doing?
Yeah, if I don't break something first.
Oh my goodness, Mom.
I'm on that new extra bike.
You should invest in some new shoes to be pushing around furniture.
You need to invest in, yeah, I'm not gonna say that.
Grippies.
Huh?
Grippies.
Grippies.
Alright, I'm at, there we go. I'm at therapy now, and I have to go in. My appointment is in, what, 1:45? Okay, crap, I thought that said 12:25.
Thank God I didn't. Oh shit, I forgot to bring her.
Mom,
What?
you stopped the swing. You did so good the other day.
I did, didn't I?
Yeah, you said freaking so many times. I was like, wow, good mom.
What a good mom.
It was, oh no. I was like, good mom.
Oh, go mom. Yeah. Hey, rah rah. Let me get my pom poms.
That was my job.
I know. So tired. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning, cooking and cleaning.
I've been up since 4 too. Granted, I have not done what you did, but you got a lot done.
Yeah, I still have more cooking. I got all the meatballs, eggplant meatballs done. I got all the meatless meatloaf done. We got 9 pans. What else did we get? Oh, and I still got to do the
burgers.
The burgers.
Veggie burgers.
Yeah, the veggie burgers. Those are really good.
What do they have in them?
Oh, I can't even go off the top of my head.
Can you at least name 3 ingredients?
Quinoa, black beans, chipotle seasoning.
That
And what else?
parsley.
Parsley. I think carrots.
Yeah, I think you're right. because we bought carrots.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking about, no, I don't want that. I was thinking about trying those carrots off again. Why didn't I like them?
I don't know. No, I didn't. We actually did the carrot dogs from the store, which are actually pretty gross.
Yeah.
But
If you make them, I'll eat them.
yeah, but they want you to have like a whole carrot steamed, and I guess you fry it up. I guess that would be alright.
Yeah,
You can eat it as a hot dog.
I'll do that.
I guess. I don't know how you would do it.
Cook it like you cook a hot dog.
Well, I think you would have to, you'd have to soften it up first. And you have to leave it whole so it can sit on the hot dog.
And bet you anything would taste really good with some ketchup.
See, I like to eat a hot dog where it's sloppy on your plate. Chili.
With beans and stuff.
Chili and mustard, ketchup, and onions and cheese. I haven't had one of those in a very long time.
And you won't have one for a very long time.
Yeah, I think the last time I had that was a year and a half ago. I like hot dogs once in a while, but they kind of gross me out sometimes.
And they are gross. You know what the owls say. And they're the eyes, the lips, and the a-holes of pigs. They didn't say I say that when I was younger.
So all the odds and ends.
Yeah. We're gonna go drink like a cow.
I want some hot dogs and burgers. Really? Don't, Deanna. I don't like it.
Well, guess what?
It's okay if it's an accident, but if it's
That
done on purpose,
one-
I don't like it.
And that one was an accident, but the one I just did was a burping. Just so you know. Oh my goodness. I wish I knew how to do it. Joshua burps. Well, sorry, I have to talk about him for a minute. Okay, Joshua burps and he blows it in my face.
What guy doesn't? Guys do that because they're dumb.
It's disgusting.
Fart on you.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to talk about that.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Because never.